Welcome back to What the Duck Auto. Just a quick little video. That way, I have uploaded a short today. I want to upload like an actual video. I'll just show you what I'm working on. So this was a vehicle that I had done cam phasers on. Textbook TSB, replaced the phasers. It was rattling. There's the cam, the lash adjusters, cam caps. But look at this little storage of cat food that a rodent has put in the valley. You know, there's no dead rodent, no chewed wires, but a lifetime supply of food. And then you can look down in here and you can see some grazing on the cylinder walls. We can come over here and here's this, the CAC pipes for this bank, the coolant timing cover, and we can come over here to this head. And that was our issue. We had a cylinder 5 misfire with no, well, we had low compression. It had about 25 to 30 psi of compression in cylinder 5, and that was it. The original spark plug, the ground strap was completely gone. I don't have that anymore. I would have showed y'all, but yeah, had to tear it back down, submit pictures. It is what it is, I guess. So now we're gonna see if Ford wants to give us a head or a long block. It's really up to them. Here we got bolts for the timing cover. Here's our timing chain components. There's the cab. And I didn't take this head off because there's no need to. And if you look, this is a Gen 3. No. Actually, I think it is a Gen 3 because of these right here. You only have to take this one coolant line off the head to the turbo. And then you just take the 3 10mm titanium bolts out of the manifold and leave that on. Then your head comes off. You just make sure you get all 8 18 mil, and then you have one, which is this one right here, a little 8mm inverted Torx Plus. Little tricky booger to get out. But here she is. This is what I'm working on. Hope y'all enjoyed that video. Hit that subscribe.